Welcome! Today, we're diving into a fun and simple way to personalize your Instagram chats by changing the chat color. This feature lets you add a splash of your favorite hues to your conversations, making your messages stand out and feel more vibrant. Let's walk through the updated steps to change the chat color on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to customize your chats. Next, head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your home screen. Once you're in your inbox, open any chat where you want to change the color. It can be a conversation with a close friend, family member, or anyone you chat with regularly. After opening the chat, look at the top of the screen where the contact's name is displayed. Tap on the contact's name to open the chat settings. Here, you'll find several options to customize your conversation. Look for the option labeled Theme or Color. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Theme or Color, and a palette of colors will appear. Scroll through the options and pick the color that best suits your style or mood. Whether you want a calming blue, a bold red, or a playful purple, there's a color for everyone. After selecting your preferred color, the chat will instantly update to reflect your choice. Now, every message bubble and background element in that conversation will show your new color theme, making your chat feel fresh and personalized. Changing chat colors on Instagram is a great way to add personality to your messages and make your conversations more enjoyable. Plus, it's super easy to switch back or try out new colors whenever you want. So, next time you're chatting on Instagram, remember these simple steps to brighten up your conversations with your favorite colors. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!